My name's Alex Buckman. I'm a product developer at Autex Acoustics. The Autex Acoustic Timber range celebrates the richness and diversity of timbers used in interior spaces while providing a high level of acoustic performance all in one product. Autex Acoustic Timber range provides another viable solution for spaces where timber may not be able to be used. So it was really important that we had a high level of accuracy and representation of natural timber grains. So our first port of call was to go to our local timber veneer merchant and learn as much as we possibly could about timber grains. I think we worked really hard on creating a really accurate representation of the grains themselves. Once we'd selected our timber grains, we needed to translate them onto our acoustic panels. The way we did that was using an extremely high resolution camera, and once we had those digital files we could translate them onto our acoustic panels using our large format printer. We wanted to select veneers that were familiar to interior designers like oak, American ash, birch and walnut, and then we also wanted to have some unique timbers in there like our Tasmanian blackwood, which could be used as a point of difference within a space. The Autex Acoustic Timber range is available in our Q panels and our Frontier Raft Beam 100 and Beam 250. So it can be used on walls, it can be used on ceilings, and it can be used as room dividers.